Today, we're going to experience tea and food culture unique to Fukuoka, here at the Tea Culture Museum. Let's go. Oh wow, we can learn a ton about green tea here. Oh wow. Oh wow. Such an amazing smell. Beautiful. Let's check a little more. Ooh. Oh, there's a cafe. So at the Tea Culture Museum, you can do more than just buy tea. You can actually try out tea noodles. Wow. At the Tea Culture Museum, you can also do really interesting experiences, one of which is hand-making tea using a big stone mortar. Evidently, that's what we're going to be doing today. Let's go. お願いします。
お願いします。そしたらこちらですね、天茶をひいてお抹茶にしていくんですけど、このお茶はお店で売ってるお茶ではないので、お抹茶を作るためだけの特別なお茶で、このまま食べることもできます。石臼ですね、左回りに1秒に1回で、早すぎると粗くなります。遅すぎると香りの少ないお茶になるので、1秒に1回転ぐらいを保って美味しいお抹茶になります。
Okay, let's give it a go. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Okay, I'm almost done. Just a few more.
一気に減ってきましたね。
I'm done. That was exhausting, but let's go to the next step.
これがふるいになります。で、ハケで集めていただいて作って入れますね。
Wow, this smells amazing. I cannot wait to actually try this myself.
So we've ground our matcha leaves into powder. Now we're going to get some hot water so we can drink it. This way. お願いします。これは2人です。あ、ございます。
お抹茶はこの茶杓ですくって入れていただきます。で、このカップの半分程度入れていただいてよろしいですか。じゃあ整うよ。だいたい抹茶は3分の1から4分の1程度注いでいただきます。左手を添えて、縦方向に立てます。ぐるぐる回さないようにシャカシャカシャカシャカっと素早く立ててください。表面の泡だけを同じように縦方向にちょっと撫でて、優しく撫でていただくと大きい泡が消えます。最後にそこにつけて外側を沿うようにぐるっと回して真ん中から上に引くようにしてください。一周回して真ん中から上に引きます。真ん中に泡が寄って綺麗な形になります。
すごい。Let's give this a go, shall we? Wow, oh my, that is so good. Freshly ground matcha has a very interesting, deep, earthy flavor that other matcha just doesn't have. It is something special, honestly. Wow. As expected, tea that you've ground yourself has a much deeper, richer, more robust flavor than anything you can find in stores. I'm really glad I got to try this food experience. There's something profoundly interesting about drinking tea you've milled yourself. It's so good. Yesterday's green tea grinding experience was really fun, but today we're looking for a new food adventure. That's what we've come here to Kitakyushu to do, a little bit of fishing. Hopefully, after we finish fishing, we can return to La Mer, located behind me, to eat, hopefully, a lot of fish that we catch today. Let's go. Morning.
Good morning.
Wow, how's it? I hope we can catch loads of fish. Let's go. Damn. Yo, check it out.
皆さんおはようございます。今日は北九州の門司港を出て今40分ぐらい経ちました。ここは山口県と北九州のちょうど中間地点にある響灘というところで生きたエビを使ってアマダイ、イトヨリ、レンコダイという魚を狙って釣りたいと思います。では頑張るぞ。 OK でそこをそう引っ張りながら
Release.
OK OK で左の脇に挟む
Let's go over there.
OK OK
Big old.
OK で竿取りを包み込むように OK
Grip this.
で
Os.
クラッチ
So, 最初はカッチカッチして。Ah, okay. Then we throw this in. Little bit.
はい
Yoo.
竿先をもう少し下げとった方がいい
Os.
はいなるべく下に下げとった方がいいです
Os. Close. We're going to about 80 meters deep. 30, 40.
はい今そこでこれでハンドル巻いて大きく万歳グー
Oi.
はい常にですねこの糸がピーンって張った状態をキープしてあげる たるむとですね、
はい
魚の当たりが取れないんで、
あ、そうですか。あ、じゃあ、
うん
そんな感じにキープしま
そう
す
まっ。すぐテンションかかった状態、糸が万歳してゆっくり落とす。
でも、wait, what?
今もう竿先が2回コンコンコンってなったんで、
うん
1回回収して巻き取ってあげて餌をちょっと確認してみましょう。
あ、はい。
うん
じゃあ、
これ
ブス。
こう
すげえ
こ。れでスイッチオン、スピードアッ
That's great! That's so strong!
プ。魚ついてるよ。
Yay, 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 yay,
イエイイエイイエイイエイイエイイエイイエイ。
Did it! What'd I get?
来た来た来た来た来た。
Not bad! Yeah, I did it! Look at him!
レンコダイ。美味しい。
これレン
レンコダイ。レンコダイ。
Nice.
塩焼きベリーベリーデリシャス。
Cooking with a little bit of salt. Perfect. 素晴らしい。ありがとうございます。Yeah! Got me a fish.
でまた万歳しよう。なかなか食いついてこないね。
そうですよね。
一番下の餌がなくなってる。
ああ、そこだ、ここ。そこだ。This thing is so heavy! Oh my god! It's either the fish that's heavy or it's just this machine that's heavy. I don't know what. これ何だ? 大きい? でっけ! Yeah. Oh, that's a big boy. Thank you. ありがとうございます. Let's put him in the water, shall we? There we go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. All the way down, and then twist it a little bit. Then twist it until it's like tight. A big whoa. Bring it all the way down again. Slowly. Then just wait here at this angle. Nice. Oh, put it up. Hey, it's the colorful one. Look how nice that looks. Got it. You can put it down. Yo. Nicely done. It's a good-looking fish. Let's put it with the rest. Thanks so much, man. It was a lot of fun. See you. We've done it. We've got a whole bunch of fish. Now you know. Let's eat. Let's go deliver this fish to the chef. Oh, onegaishimasu. Here you are. Let's have a look inside. Ooh. Nice, good amount of fish. Thank you so much. Until later. They finished. I can't believe they completed their order so quickly. That all looks amazing. Let's take a seat, see what we've got. Little tempura. They've even made sushi out of the fish we caught. That's fantastic. But man, check out this view. Wow.
当店では運悪く釣れなかったお客様にも近海で採れたて新鮮な魚料理をお召し上がりいただいておりますが、本日は大量でしたのでほぼ釣ってきていただいたお魚で調理をいたしました。手前からお寿司、天ぷら、鍋物、そして焼き物、そして茶碗蒸しをご用意しております。福岡では一年中旬な魚をお楽しみいただけます。どうぞごゆっくりお楽しみください。
Let's get started. Itakimasu. Okay, I have to start with the sashimi. He explained before that the sashimi would be slightly sweet because it was caught fresh. Let's give it a go. That's fantastic. He was right. It's very sweet, very fresh, has a slightly crunchy, soft texture to it. Brilliant. Whoa. That is amazing. I think this is the fish that you caught. It looks superb. Ooh. Oh, that soup is amazing. Super clear, super fresh. Can't wait to try that. My gosh. Man, from grinding fresh green tea, fishing in the ocean, to just hanging back and enjoying some traditional Japanese cuisine, there is a multitude of unique activities you can experience in Fukuoka. So why don't you come down and experience them together? But until then, let's sit back and enjoy the catch of the day.